Saturday morning we're going flying. I need to hurry because I'm pushed for time. My friends are going to meet me out on the other side of the Kopi. It's about a 2-minute flight. I need to go help a friend there quickly. So I'll see you later.
Lost one of my cameras and now I had to get this one rolling, which is a bit of a story. I wanted to get some audio. Where we're at now, we've met up with Tian and Quinny and John, and we're off to another spot where we're going to connect up and then we're going to go flying again. So we're going to land, have some coffee, shoot again. Here come the highs again. And here come, feeling alive again. So we had some coffee, had a sandwich quickly, and now we're going to go flying. And then I need to get home because I need to be somewhere at 2. 2 with my friends is always good, especially John. John is always a story. Time of the year there's a lot of canola around. We're really lucky to be able to fly around here. Unfortunately we can't land everywhere, but we can definitely play around like this, and it's pretty beautiful to be honest. There's a shooting range by the looks of it. So we're coming up with Stellenbosch Airfield now. Shortly be joining over here to land. Okay, so we're about to land. We're on the downwind for Stellenbosch. So what downwind means is the runway is on my left hand side, and there's a specific pattern you need to fly when you come and land at any airport. But it's a bit turbulent today, like you can see the clouds. I suppose it is midday. Stellenbosch, I come back, Yankee turning base 01 full stop. Okay, I'm high and I'm fast again. Luckily the Bushbaby does slow down. You can put some flaps in and just like air brake. Stellenbosch, I come back, Yankee final 01 full stop. Okay, so thanks for joining guys. Nice landing, I hope. Felt nice. Stellenbosch, I come back, Yankee vacated and I think full base.